In front of me is OPPO Pad 5, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll a tiny bit to click on Notifications and Quick Settings. Then scroll to choose Manage All right next to App Notifications. Following that, click on Recent on the left of this section, and this way sort your apps to see ones with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, all apps on your device, or only apps with notifications already disabled. Wherever you decide to when you're ready, use blue switchers next to apps from which you want to block them, or gray ones to switch them back on. Quick tip, I always like to come back and then sort my apps here. For example, let's go with all. Now tap on any app you are interested in. And not only switch on or turn off notifications thanks to this switcher, but also check out and manage all of those notification options for chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!